Hi! In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I would like to show you where you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down, tap on Default Apps, and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage, like Browser. After you download your new browser, it will appear over here. All you need to do is click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!